Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Panda. I am a fourth year student of UPES Dehradun. I am a legal intern in Lexus and Company for the month of June. And today in this video I am going to talk about the interstate water disputes in India. So, India is very rich in terms of number of rivers and water bodies flowing across the country. But the fact remains that many of the water bodies are now being polluted in one way or the other by the people as well as many other industries which have been set up on the banks of such rivers. Hence, only a limited number of water bodies are now being used for meeting the requirement of the public both by the center and the state government. Such rivers include Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Periyar, etc. majorly. One of the major facts regarding such river is that they flow not only through one single state or region but through a number of states. Gradually, there arises various disputes in connection with the usage of such rivers between the state in which the river flows. The dispute arises regarding quantity of water consumed by each state. Recent example of such interstate water dispute can be traced to the Yamuna River water dispute between Delhi, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Earlier, we have also seen disputes between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Yamuna River dispute was resolved through many conferences among the chief minister of the three states as well as central government, but not all water disputes have been resolved effectively. Kaveri River water dispute among Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, which I talked earlier, still continues as a persistent issue. Many of the water disputes are still going on due to the lack of friendly relationship among the state government and due to a common principle, Harmon doctrine, which means whatever which falls on our roof is ours. So there are many laws and statutes which regulate the usage of water and also ensure the prevention of dispute regarding water. We have Interstate Water Dispute Act as one of the major enactment among them. The act defines the meaning of the term water dispute as difference or dispute between two or more state government with respect to first the usage, distribution or control of the water. Second, the interpretation of terms of any agreement relating to the use, distribution, or control of such water bodies. And thirdly, the levy of any water relate in contravention to the prohibition contained in Section 7 of the Act. So, now let us see the guidelines under the Act. So, for resolving the issue on interstate water dispute in India, the one particular chapter is dedicated for Interstate Water Dispute Act, which provide various guidelines that are to be followed by the state government as well as concerned authorities, which include first negotiation, second national water policy and national water grid, third water administration, and the fourth is it is water administration is the last. So now while concluding, it is important to note that the main issue that our future generation will be facing is the scarcity of fresh water for meeting their necessities. Experts have stated that if there is third world war, it would be due to water. Thus, people must be very conscious about matter when utilizing water for various purposes. Various state government as well as the central government must see to the matter in much more serious way so that there arises no dispute among them in connection with interstate rivers and the right of such state governments on the utilization of water from those rivers. Keeping in mind the current availability of fresh water in India, government can implement various alternative remedial measures for the optimum utilization of water resources and for making certain amendment in the act so that there will be no interstate water dispute in the country. If we save our water tomorrow, it can be beneficial for our coming future, and it is the duty of government to not fight for such water bodies, which is natural resource. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this. Please like this video. If possible, please share it. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.